The Web Manager is the central dashboard of your NETx BMS platform. Here you will find important BMS functionalities such as alarm management, scheduling, trending, or reporting. But also other functions can be found here. For example, the overview of your item tree in the diagnostic tool or special interfaces such as our metering app or our guest room management system My Smart Suite. In the Explorer you will find a complete overview of the adapted BMS functions. With our template function, functions can be created multiple times via variables. The Web Manager is also the central point of contact for your user management. Here you can not only set all user administrations, but also adjust access authorizations. The Web Manager can be accessed in various ways. You can call it up directly in the Core Studio by clicking on the Web Manager icon. This button can also be found in the Visualization Editor. You can also call it up directly via the IP address you have set. If you press the info icon in the top right corner, you will receive important information about your license. Also, in the lower info bar you can also find important information about your project. You can see whether the core server is in simulation mode or online, and which project is currently being accessed in the Core Studio. The Web Manager also provides information about whether the database is running or whether the reporting server is connected. Furthermore, the Web Manager gives you the information which version number of the BMS platform is being used. Make sure that you are always working with the latest version of the core server. If you have any further questions, please contact us at office@NETxAutomation.com.